Tuesday's top tip is, if you are a startup business, get a mentor, or if you have a business, be a mentor. All it is, in the UK last year, there was over 570,000 businesses that started. Unfortunately, according to the Harvard Business School, 4 out of 5 of those businesses may not last past 3 years. Whereas if you get a mentor, there's actual proof to say that over 70% of those businesses could last for 5 years or more. You may need a mentor because you may need someone to talk to, have somebody to sound on board. The problem is you might have friends and family who are saying you're doing wonderfully well, or at the other end and being hypercritical. What you need is somebody who's impartial, who will listen to you, ask you questions, challenge you, set you a little homework, but also be there to support you. You could ask what a mentor looks like. Basically, it could be anyone running a corner shop to a director of a large multinational company. They all have their own skills, and just because they do a certain job doesn't mean they've always done that job. They might have hobbies that might relate to your business, or might have a particular skill that relates to your business. You could ask yourself, why should I have a mentor? Well, for argument's sake, Richard Branson had a mentor. It was Sir Freddie Lager. George Lucas of Star Wars fame had Francis Ford Coppola, and even Jackie Chan was mentored by the great Bruce Lee. So why don't you get a mentor? If you're interested, please contact us at info@ruace.co.uk.